Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Apple Magic Keyboard. This works with Mac Silicon computers. I've had this for several years now. As you can see, it does have the, bring it a little closer for you. As you can see, it does have the Touch ID button right here. It's a very simple looking keyboard, but very effective. I enjoy typing on it. I like all of the functionality that's built into the top row of the keyboard here, so you can easily change the brightness here. There is a microphone button right here. If you want to control the media that you might be watching or listening to on your computer, you can do it right here. You have rewind, play, and fast forward. And of course you can control the volume buttons right here with F10 and F11 and even F12, because this is mute, this is volume down, and this is volume up. You have the ability to be able to charge this keyboard. I find that I don't have to charge the keyboard too often. I'd probably say, once every 2 to 3 months on average. So this has been my review of the Apple Magic Keyboard.
If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.